Hi Foundation and welcome to Monday's Phonics. We are going to start our phonics this week by recapping some of the sounds that we have already learnt. We're going to start by saying our base 3 sounds. I'm going to say them first, then I'd like you to pause the video and have a go at saying them by yourself. J, W, X, Y, Z, Z, Qu, Ch, Sh, Th, Ng, A, E, I, O. Did you remember them all? Have a go at saying them now. The sounds from our Phase 3 sound mat are now hiding behind the stars. I'm going to reveal them one at a time. See if you can shout out the sound that you can see. Maybe you can challenge yourself by quickly writing them down into your learning book. Ready? Here we go. Which sound can you see? It's a digraph. When two A's come together, they make the sound E. Well done. Say the sound out loud. E. Fantastic. Did you have a go at writing it down? See next one. Oh, I can see 3 phonemes in this sound. Can you remember what we call it? 3 letters that make one sound is called a trigraph. Well done. Which trigraph do we have here? I. Fantastic. I in night. Let's have a go at the next one. See if you can remember it. Shout it as you see it. Which sound is it this time? Ch. Fantastic. Can you think of a word with the sound ch in it? Let's have a look at the next one. We're going to go down here. What sound is it? Another digraph. Say it out loud. Can you think of a word with this digraph in it? Let's go up here now. Which digraph can you see there? Z. Fantastic. Let's go over here. Oh, this is one of our new sounds. A. Fantastic. Have a go at saying it. A. Can you think of a word that has this sound in the middle? A. Let's go over here. Which sound is this? Ng. Like you're lifting something really heavy. Have a go at saying it with me. Ng. Next one. Oh, another digraph. When the phonemes qu and work together, what sound do they make? That's right, it's a qu. Qu in queen. And down here, which sound do you think is hiding behind this star? Shh. I wonder if you can think of a word with the sound sh in it. And we've got one more, I think, hiding over here. I wonder which sound it is. Can you think about which sound that we haven't seen yet? Well done, it's the last sound we learned. It's O. Can you think of a word with the sound O in it? Well done if you got those right. Now we are going to play odd one out. So I've got 3 pictures on my board. We've got light, teeth, and jeep. I'm looking for the odd one out. So which word does not have the sound E in it? Let's have a go at saying them. Light, teeth, jeep. Fantastic! It's this one. This one is the odd one out because light has a trigraph I in it. It does not have E, so it is the odd one out. Can you hear the E sound in the other pictures? Teeth, jeep. Right, my pictures have changed now. This time we're listening for the sound I. Which word does not have the sound I in it? Which one's the odd one out? Let's have a go at looking at the pictures. Fight, night, bee. Have a think. Which one does not have the I sound? That's right, it's this one. Bee. Bee has the sound E in it. It does not have the sound I in it. Can you hear the sound I in fight and night? Well done if you found the odd one out. This time we're listening for the sound O. Let's have a look at the pictures to find the odd one out. We've got toad, road, and sheep. Think about which one does not have the O sound. Fantastic, it's sheep. Sheep has the E sound in the middle. Sheep. It does not have O. Can you hear the O sound in toad and road? Well done if you found the odd one out. Now we're going to read some captions using our phase 3 sounds. Can you read them with me? We are going to need our reading finger to point to each of the words as we read the sentence. Off we go. A. Let's sound out this word. G-O-T. Goat. Did you spot our O digraph? G-O-T. Goat. On. A. B-O-T. Boat. Let's read it from the beginning one more time. A goat on a boat. Which picture do you think matches our caption? Have a look at the 3 pictures. Which one shows a goat on a boat? Fantastic, it's the first picture. A goat on a boat. Can you spot the digraph O in that sentence? How many times can you see it? Right, we've got another sentence now. Let's read it together. Use your reading finger. The L-I-T. Light. Can you spot the trigraph in that word? Right in the middle. I. Let's read it one more time. L-I-T. Light. At. N-I-T. Night. From the beginning. The light at night. Which picture does this caption match? Use the pictures to help you. Look for clues. You might look for a light in the pictures. Fantastic. It's the middle one. Well done. The light at night. The light at night looks very bright. Can you hear the I trigraph in that sentence? Right, we're going to read one more caption now. So use your reading finger and read it with me. Eat, feet. Where's the digraph? Well done, we've got E. So feet in the bath. Can you spot a digraph in that word? Fantastic. Feet in the bath. Have a look at the pictures. Which one does this caption match? Use the words in the caption to help you. So we've got feet, we've got bath. You can use those words as clues to look for the picture which matches. Fantastic. Feet in the bath. Well done, good reading. Now we're going to use our phase 3 sounds to do some writing. So I've got a picture here. What can you see? Well done, it's a toad in a coat. We're going to say that sentence out loud. A toad in a coat. Let's place that sentence on our fingers now. So let's place it on our hand. A toad in a coat. How many words? Well done, I can hear 5 words. Let's have a go at writing it down. What do we need to remember when we write a good sentence? That's right, think about what we need to start with. Think about what we need to use in between each of the words. And then think about how we finish a sentence. Have a go at writing it in your book, or you can join in with me. So I'm going to start with a capital letter, because that's how we always start the beginning of a sentence. A toad. Sound it out with me. You might put the sounds on your sound fingers. T-o-d, toad. T-o. So digraph, so I need 2 phonemes. Up, down and flick. Can you see I've used a finger space as I start a new word in my sentence? Finger spaces help us to read our sentence back to check it makes sense. So a toad in a toad in a coat. Let's use our sound fingers to sound out the word coat. S-k-o-t, coat. K-o-t, coat. Have a go at writing it down. Making sure we get the sounds in the right order. K-o. Can you spot the digraph? There we go. Let's read it back to check it makes sense. A toad in a coat. Have I finished my sentence? What do I need to put at the end so we know that our sentence is finished? Well done, a full stop. There we go. Now it is a completed sentence. We've wrote a sentence using our phase 3 sounds to match our picture. Well done. Have a go at writing it in your learning book now. And when you've finished, you could have a go at writing some of the words that some of the pictures that we've seen in our phonics lesson today. So you might have a go at writing teeth, jeep, fight, bee, night,